Fermented cat pee.
Karen may have been blinded by the hunger a little bit.
Right?
This is beautiful.
It's all falling apart. I don't think I'm gonna eat the tail or the legs.
So I've been given the task of introducing this dish.
The creator of our sushi method. Oh, the big bite.
It's kind of like diabetes in a bowl.
Yay!
Today is day 2 on our van trip through Canada. We are currently in Vancouver and we have yet to actually move the van, but that's about to happen.
Tonight we are going to do something that we never thought we would do when we were planning our trip to Canada, and that is eat a bunch of Asian food.
It turns out the largest night market in North America is actually located right outside of Vancouver, and that's where we're heading now.
We're gonna go get some food! Yay!
We're moving!
Woohoo! Van life!
Do we pack everything down like it should be?
No.
We've never done this before. Just made pots and pans crashing out of cabinets.
I'll just put everything on the bed.
Alright, here goes nothing.
Here we go. Wait, did you get the thing that you were like, I'm gonna run over?
No, he left the grill. Okay, we have to pack up the grill.
Still getting the hang of this.
This is what we almost ran over.
Whoops.
Okay, for real, here we go.
I'm a little nervous.
I'm so glad you remembered that.
Bye, he's on the left side. Woo!
Everything is okay. We have just made it to the Richmond Night Market. Unfortunately, it's a bit wetter than we anticipated, but we're not gonna let that hold us back.
This place is absolutely massive. There are over 300 stalls and over 100 of them are devoted to food.
It's a little cold.
Oh wait, I have a lot of chicken in my mouth. Wait, Nate. Oh, so sweet of you.
Well, it comes in a pack of 4 and I'm like, there's a lot of food to be eaten.
We have a lot of food to eat.
And I can't have it all at once.
Apparently, this is a pretty big deal because our friend Jerome drove all the way from Seattle to come here tonight. He's basically the reason that we had a Vespature vlog because I saw all the footage for his vlog. So, thank you. And we're so excited to get to see you again.
I'm so happy to be here. I literally was here 2 weeks ago, and now I'm back.
Starting out strong. Jerome got some fried chicken skin.
Right?
So crunchy. Tastes like a pork rind, but a little bit lighter. Just a little bit flakier with garlic and salt. Oh my gosh.
So good.
I could do some big damage on these. I could eat a whole bag of these easy.
Would you get the barbecue or the garlic? Or the
Garlic.
cheese? Garlic? Okay, so we went.
I love garlic.
Okay, good. Me too.
This is one of the things I was most excited about tonight. It is a macaroni and cheese roti. Sounds and looks super fat, but seriously one of the best things I've ever seen in my life. You think?
Like a sandwich.
Okay, you asked for it. Oh my gosh. It has bacon and jalapenos in it. It's like a grilled cheese, but better.
So sushi.
Macaroni.
I love it. This is like round 1.
I'm not gonna say it's not good because it is, but I think Karen may have been blinded by the hunger a little bit. It's literally a roti with Easy Mac, jarred jalapenos, and some bacon bits inside of it. I mean, they haven't gone fancy here at all. But when you put all those things together, it's hard to go wrong. Okay, we're about to try a food that all of us have had before, and when people ask us what our least favorite food is when we're traveling, we always say stinky tofu.
6 pieces. Can you finish them all? Doesn't look that bad.
Smells like sewage. It's just been boiling in the sun.
Ready? 1, 2.
I mean, it kind of smells like the sewer.
Old sauce.
It's honestly, so it is fermented and deep fried tofu with some toppings and some vinegar. When we had this in Taiwan, I almost spit it out.
But we're hoping that like that was in our early travel days before our palates were really refined to this international food.
We've had a lot of food since then.
All right, we're gonna give it another try. Everybody grab a stick. Whole thing.
The whole thing?
The whole thing, yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
When you bite into it,
Okay.
I don't like it.
the juices are coming down.
It's in my nose.
Oh, I think when you breathe is when it gets worse.
It is.
Okay.
It's still bad.
It's not as bad as last time.
I can't swallow it, Nate.
Oh, come on, you can do it. Think about how refined your palate is after 2 years of travel.
I stand by my first description, which was gym socks that a dog peed on. It tastes just like his mouth.
I'm trying not to breathe. I can't even swallow it. My body. That is going in the trash can.
I think I have cat pee in my mouth.
Oh, it doesn't go away.
Oh my god, and we don't even have a Coke to wash it down with.
We just paid
Is the cabbage okay?
9 Canadian for 3 pieces, and I think that's all we're gonna eat.
I think I'm good with that.
I can't eat it anymore.
Okay.
I can't.
That's it.
It's like stinky socks that have mildew on it. That's
Oh,
what it is. That's what
like
it
that.
is.
I keep finding it in the crevices in my mouth.
Okay, that's enough of that.
I always feel a little bit guilty when I don't like something that's a big part of somebody else's culture. And I'm really not trying to be dramatic, but I seriously, it's burned into my tongue right now and in my nose. Like it's like all in my sinuses and I can't get rid of it. We need to find something else to eat.
I was really hoping we were going to be more cultured at this point in our travels.
I did too. I had hope. We are washing that stinky tofu down with some, what is this? Spicy Korean style pork belly. It has sesame seeds on top and some onions and it came with kimchi. I feel like I'm back in Korea. I hope it's really spicy. I need something strong. That did the trick. It's like the perfect amount of spice. This is great. I just love anything with sesame seeds and onions on top. The sauce is like spicy, but also kind of sweet. It's perfect. I no longer taste tofu. Do you like spicy?
I'm the one that does a 0 out of 5.
Really?
I am.
It's a really nice flavor.
The judge of that.
You can do it. You can do it. Just think about how bad the tofu was. You're burning all of it out.
It's burned. So good. I can't do spice when you cannot taste the flavor.
I agree with that.
And this one you can actually taste like the saltiness and
Yes.
like how savory it is.
Agreed.
It's really good. One more.
This booth sells sweet corn, cotton candy, squid, and hot dogs. What?
Chicken cheesy pendant. Rainbow mix. Thank you. Okay, what sauce would you like? Truffle mayo, spicy mayo, teriyaki. Any crispy topping. Peanuts, fried onions, bonito flakes, and nori. That's the rainbow mix dumpling. It comes with 2 black truffle pork, 2 red kimchi beef, and 2 vegan. Would like some sesame seed?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good one, okay? Thank you.
Okay, moving on.
This is the rainbow dumplings. There are 3 dumplings in here. The black one is the black truffle, which we have. The red one is the beef kimchi, and the green one is the vegetarian.
Okay, you ready? Do you eat the whole thing?
Let's do it.
Okay.
One bite.
Okay.
Okay.
We're doing it. Oh, and Nate won't try this one. Are you sure? I'll try a different one. I'll eat the red one.
Yeah, eat the red one because I don't eat beef.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Okay.
I'll eat the beef one. Ready, set,
Go. I love the crispiness on the edge of the dumpling, and as you bite into it, like the warm filling kind of bursts in your mouth.
This is so good. Dumplings are pretty much one of my favorite Asian foods of all time. I think this is my favorite thing we've eaten today. We're gonna be fighting over the rest of this. I'm just gonna take a minute.
Okay, this may be the most interesting thing that we've seen all night. It is a shrimp cracker that is bigger than my head, and you can actually see there's whole shrimps that have been pressed into this cracker. Going straight for the head. I'm curious. Oh, it does break like a cracker. Look at that. Oh, it smells very fishy. Oh, it's like this weird texture where I can't tell if they like de-shelled the shrimp or if it's just a crunchy cracker. You can actually see the entire shrimp. You've got the head, the body, and then the tail. Such a weird snack.
Thanks so much. Have you guys had mochi before?
We are gonna switch to some sweets now. It's time for dessert. Last year we were in Korea. We tried this thing that we thought was a chocolate bun. For dessert, we're having a dessert dumpling. It has a strawberry and chocolate inside. The chocolate is not chocolatey.
So I figured out why Kara didn't like the chocolate. Because it's red bean paste.
And we just found some mochi here, but instead of beans, they've stuffed it with cheesecake. So the middle layer is a strawberry, then it's cheesecake, and then the outside is the mochi, which is like a rice cake. Rice dough, rice something. Do you know what it is? What's the outside? Rice cake. I was right the first time. I'm so excited about this. It's so cold. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This is great, y'all. So the creators of this are in this stall. I don't think this is a normal filling for mochi. It is so good. The rice cake is so like chewy and mushy, like kind of like a jelly bean. And then of course the cheesecake is so good. It's one of my favorite desserts with a fresh, crunchy strawberry in the middle.
So every time I come here, I get this dessert on my way out. It is shaved ice with mango, strawberry, and an ice cream on top with condensed milk. It's kind of like diabetes in a bowl. Is it good?
Look how huge this bowl is.
Oh my
I mean,
God.
she just kept like packing it on top. It's the best deal we've gotten all night, for sure.
Let's eat.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Strawberry mango.
So refreshing.
So good.
Such a great way to end.
The condensed milk really.
What better place to close down this vlog than in the middle of this random pink forest?
Of course.
It's beautiful. I love this food tour. I feel like normally when we go out and try to do our own food tour, it never goes as planned. We normally like can't pronounce anything we're trying, or we can't find it, or it's not very good, so it's just weird. But we came, we ate everything we wanted to eat. It was all delicious. The only thing that was just a little painful is that if we were actually in Asia, this would have cost maybe $10 or $15 total. So that's the only thing I would change. But it was so good, and we got to do it with Jerome. Such a fun night.
I had so much fun. Thanks for meeting up with me. I am too.
We just got back to our campsite and we are very full.
We're going to sleep. We're going to sleep. We're going to Kelowna tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video and you want to follow the rest of our trip through Canada in this van, make sure to subscribe. She's hilarious.
What time is it? I feel like it's the middle of the night. I don't normally eat this late.
It's just food, no alcohol was consumed tonight.
No. Just mochi.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
We're all still alive.
gosh. I should just like stay back there and just be ready. Oh, that's a good strategy.
Yeah.
No!
Well, there's another one.
No, it's okay.
Oh my god, this is my judging phase. I would not, I really like if you want.
No, I'm totally gonna eat it because there's no like rocks or anything on it. Seriously, I've been saying to Nate the whole time that we've been here that the people in Canada are so nice. We've gotten all these really nice messages on Instagram, like people who live here giving us suggestions, and then someone came from her home.
The one thing you have to
Laura came from her home to come see us because she saw we were here on Instagram. It was so sweet. And all these other people have come up to us saying, oh my gosh, I watch your videos and like said the nicest things. So I love Canada. I never want to leave. Good. We like having you. We're gonna move. Should we leave it on the table? Like you think somebody?
No, I don't think anybody.
Pork belly? Fried pork belly? Korean style pork belly. Okay.
It's like Sebastian.
This is so cute and cozy. Yeah, closer to me.
I feel like I'm not in the. Alright.
We just got back to our campsite. I just feel so cozy in our bed doing this. Okay, sorry. We just got. He did a weird like. Were you trying to get my attention?
No.
Oh. He did it again.
No, I just feel like it's like you and then I'm over here on the side. Okay, we're in the.
Because there's a wall.
We're going to Kelowna tomorrow.
I think we're delirious.
Okay, too much food.
We're in a food
Alright, here
delirium.
Here we go.
Okay, for real.
If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this video,
smash that subscribe button.
don't do that. Just
hit that like button.
click it nicely.
Leave a comment below. Share
Maybe
it with your
there's
friends.
a little bell icon.
Call your cousin.
Whoa.
Seriously, share it on your Facebook. Tweet it. Instagram. I do think that's facing you a little bit better.
Yeah, I think so.
I think being on my stomach makes everything
Makes me
more
full.
funny.
It makes me full.